Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Jordan again, and we're going to be playing a fun piece it together game. We're going to be making compound words. And so let's talk about what compound words are. We've played a game with it before. It's when you put two base words together and you come up with a brand new game. So go to your packet and find piece it together directions. This will require you to cut apart your puzzle pieces, and you'll cut apart about 15 puzzle pieces. And so once they're cut apart, then we can begin to play the game. You will also need a pencil and your piece it together recording sheet. And I have that here for you. So let's begin. So the way that we play it is that we take our 15 pieces and we cut them apart. They look like this. And you get to choose words, and you're going to put two puzzle pieces together and make a compound word. So let's get started. Okay, let's make sure we understand. We're going to practice it first. So I've basically shuffled them up after I cut them apart, and we'll practice first. And so if you pick out grass, then we need to look carefully for a word that would go with it. And I found one over here. Let's see if it fits together. Grass hopper. And the puzzle pieces fit together. Grass hopper. Grasshopper. So now we want to write it. Now I'm going to write it in pen, but you can use a pencil. So I'll write grass hopper. And I put it together, and it makes a brand new word, brand new compound word. And here it is on our recording sheet. So we practice it. Now let's get started. Are you ready to make some compound words? So let's go back to our piece it together game. So we practiced making grasshopper. And so I'm going to put those here, right here, because we've already made it. So now let's look for another word. I've got two ears here, so I'm going to do ear. Well, I'm going to use this one because I already know the piece doesn't fit the one I was going to look for. Ear ache. Ear ache. Earache. I have an earache. So now we're going to write that. I'm going to put it right here where you can see it. And I'm going to write it on our piece together recording sheet. Ear ache. Earache. I have an earache. You do not have to make sentences, but it's always helpful when we make a brand new word to make sure we understand. And here we've recorded it on our sheet. Earache. It's always helpful when you get a brand new, make a brand new compound word to use it in a sentence to see if you understand the meaning. So let's move along. We're going to move along a little bit quicker. Let's go back to our piece it together, puzzle pieces together, compound words. So let's see. We're looking for, I'm going to choose jelly. What would be another word to go with it? Jelly. Jelly bean. Jelly bean. Jelly bean. Okay, now I'm going to put it right here so we can see that we're going to record it on our piece it together recording sheet. Jelly bean. Now let's put it together. Jelly bean. And we record it again on our sheet. Jelly bean. You're doing a great job. Okay, let's keep going. Now we've made two. We've done grasshopper, earache, jelly bean. Okay, let's keep going. Now you guys help me out. What do we want to find? Okay, play. What do you think we could find to go with that? Play bone. Nope, that doesn't match. Play watch. Nope, that doesn't match. Play way. What about playground? Playground. Playground. So now I'm going to put this right here and we're going to record it on our piece it together form. Playground. Now let's put it together. Playground. I want to go outside and play on the playground. And we've recorded it on our sheet. There it is. Playground. Okay, let's move right along. You guys are doing great. So let's keep, I'm going to move them further up. So we've made earache, jelly bean, playground, and grasshopper was the first one. So as you see, I'm moving them further in so we can make piece them together and make more compound words. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I found post. Post. What could go with it? Postpone, post drive, post clock, post. Oh, what about postcard? Postcard. Postcard. And the puzzle pieces fit together. Okay, let's record it on our piece it together recording sheet. The first word was post. Put it together with card. Postcard. I will mail out a postcard to my friend in South Carolina. And I've recorded it again on my piece it together recording sheet. All right, let's find another one. So I'm sliding them down as I make them. So we've made earache, jelly bean, playground, postcard, grasshopper was the first one. And let's spread them out a little bit more. You're doing a great job. Okay, I found Tad. Let's look around and see if we can find something that goes with it. Find another base word to make a brand new compound word. Tad. Wait, nope, that doesn't make sense. Tad box. What about tadpole? And they piece it together and they make a brand new compound word. Tadpole. All right, excellent job. Tadpole. I saw a tadpole in the pond. So the first word is tad. Second one, pole. Put it together. Tadpole. And I've already given you a sentence. Make sure you're writing it on your piece it together sheet. Okay, doing a great job. You're helping me put together it. Now I'm going to slide this over. These are the compound words we've already made. So I'm going to slide this one up. So now you see our list. Here's our word, compound words that we need to piece it together and make brand new words. So here are our puzzle pieces, and we're going to put together and make more compound words. Here we go. So I've got motor. And we know bone doesn't go, drive, clock, motor. Here we go. Cycle, motor, cycle. And the piece it together. Motorcycle. Good job, motorcycle. And so now let's write it down on our piece it together recording sheet. Motor, cycle. Piece it together. Motorcycle. We saw a black motorcycle going down the highway. Please write it on your sheet, motorcycle. You're doing a great job. Let's piece it together, another compound word. And notice I put them here as we make them so that you can see it. All right, let's move along quickly. Let's see. We've got stop. And let's look around to try to find a word. Okay, here we go. Stop, watch. Stop, watch. The coach used a stop watch. Okay, let's record that on our sheet. We're going to put it right here. Stop, watch. Stop, watch. Stop, watch. Okay, did you write it on your piece it together recording sheet? Make sure you did. Let's keep going. You're doing a great job. Okay, we've got drive, way, driveway, driveway. Please do not leave your bike in the driveway. So I want you to write down drive, put on your piece it together recording sheet, drive, way, driveway. And we already made a sentence so that we know that you understand the meaning of the new compound word that we made. Okay, you're doing great at piecing together. Okay. Okay, let's see. We're looking around. We've got tail and bone. Tailbone. All mammals have a tailbone. Tailbone. So I'm going to piece it together. And there we go. We're going to record it. Are you writing it down? Tail bone. Tailbone. And we already made a sentence to show that we understand the meaning of the new word. Okay, you're doing a great job. Okay. I just found another one. Are you with me on that one? Here we go. Egg, shell, eggshell, egg, shell. I'm going to move right along. Do you want to make a sentence with eggshell? Okay, your turn. Make a sentence with eggshell. Let's go over the words one more time that we've already made. And here they are. Grasshopper, tadpole, motorcycle, stopwatch, tailbone, earache, jelly bean, playground, postcard, driveway, and eggshell. Okay, these are the words that we have left. Okay, let me turn them so you can see them. Turn them around so you can see them. We only have a little bit left. Okay. Here we go. I found another one. Tool box. And if we piece it together, we know they go together. Toolbox. Can you think of a sentence for toolbox? Toolbox. Write it on your piece it together sheet. Toolbox. Toolbox. My father keeps his tools in his toolbox. Okay, I'm going to pick up clock and we're going to try to figure out what would go with clock. Clock. Okay, I can figure it out just looking at the puzzle piece. Wise. Clock, wise. Clockwise. Please turn and go clockwise around the room. Okay, that was a little tricky. Let's try it again. Please turn and go clockwise around the room. Okay, are you recording it on your piece it together recording sheet? Clockwise. Clockwise. Okay. Here we go. Paycheck. We've only got two left. Paycheck. At the end of the week, if you have worked very hard, you should receive a paycheck. 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 Last one. And guys, I have to tell you, you've done a great job of piecing together our compound words. Eardrum. Eardrum. Did you record it? Eardrum. Eardrum. What sentence are you going to make from the compound word eardrum. Now, I'm going to slide these down and we're going to go back over all the compound words we've pieced together in our puzzle pieces. And we've made brand new compound words. Are you ready? Let's go back over them quickly and make sure you've recorded them on your piece it together sheet. Earache, grasshopper, tadpole, playground, motorcycle, postcard, stopwatch, driveway, tailbone, earshell, toolbox, clockwise, eardrum, paycheck. Well, boys and girls, I hope you've enjoyed making compound words, piecing it together. Boys and girls, you may also, here's another way that you can continue playing the game. You can make up your own compound words, write them on the sheet, cut them apart, and then play the game again. So I hope you've enjoyed playing Piece It Together. See you next time. Bye, guys.